Hey everyone, Steve from the Endless Sphere Forums. Do a quick video on my new KMX, new and improved I should say. So this used to be my KMX Typhoon, I guess, 2010. No, well, sorry, I think it's the KMX Cobra. Yeah, that's right, it's the Cobra one. Anyways, so what I did is I stretched the front end 6 inches, so 3 inches each side, of course. What else we got here? Put dual 203 rotors in the front, right there. I'm using Code 5, Avid Code 5 brakes. Let me unplug this before we have a problem. Okay. So Avid Code 5 brakes. So dual front hydraulic. 16-inch wheels in the front, thumb throttle. You'll see here my steering dampener that we've added on. Works really well for high speed. Cycle analyst. I've used the factory mounting point for the derailleur, and it just mounted up perfectly. Like, look at this clearance. It's just perfect. Yeah, it's pretty good. I've taken off 2 of the gears here, or yeah, sprockets I should say. I'm going to have to eventually run chain on this, but that's a future project. So as you can see here, I've added some reinforcement bar to the seat. So the seat's all welded as part of the frame. Moving on, so some more reinforcement bar back here to the back arm. There's my little battery pack and controller. This little guy here is IRFP 4568 MOSFETs. So they are the bigger batch MOSFETs. TO247 package is the size of the MOSFET. And I just took this for first ride, really. First successful ride, I should say. And it I'm running 7018S LiPo. It's a little bit low, probably about 50% state of charge. But I hit about 100 amp peak on the little guy. And it handles okay. It hasn't popped or anything. I'm running 90 amps worth of fuses. I got 8 amp hour Turnigy LiPos in there, some trusty old LiPos. And my X602 in the back. It's laced in a 17-inch wheel. It's a moped tire on the back. And that's pretty much everything. What else is there? Well, can't really see it as well, but, and I mentioned this probably in one of the earlier videos, but the back end is a little stretched. I don't know how good you guys can see that, but that's stretched about 8 inches or so, maybe a little longer. And it rides exceptionally well. Like I can pull turns pretty hard on it, and it still wants to tip, believe it or not. I mean, if you really hit the corners pretty hard, it'll still try to tip, but a lot more stabler than when I had the 20-inch wheels, and I had 6 inches less in width. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. There's going to be more to come. Right now I'm just testing and trying to get the controller reliable and see what battery voltage I can run on the motor before I start to tear it apart, clean up the paint, repaint it for the new season coming up. And that's pretty much it. You guys can see how the torque arm came along, or sorry, I should say the rear fork. We had my buddy make an axle for me. Can't really see it too well. It's threaded on one side is just welded with the nut. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I need a better battery pack, so I'm not gonna waste time doing a video of me riding it, because it ain't. As soon as you give her, it cuts out. My battery drops from like 67 volts past 55. So it keeps cutting out, and not even 100 amps pull on it. So well, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy the video. I love to hear comments. This is probably one of my most craziest projects I've ever done. So once this is done, it'll be moving on to my 2 other projects, which will either be my X54 KMX, which will be my second build when I got someone over on a ride, or my two-wheel drive X5303 BMX build, which again I don't know when that's going to get started, but one of the two will be my next builds. And that's also beside my Honda Insight fiasco. So yeah, I'll leave it at that. Thanks a lot.